Global Access Forex. The one thing I need you to understand about one saying, it is not about you are right or you are wrong. It is about money you lost while you are wrong, and how much money you lost while you are right, or how much money you risk while you are wrong, or how much money you risk while you are right. That's the most important aspect of the trading psychology and terminology with respect to money management concepts you need to understand, which it compiled together, risks together, aligned them together. I'm very sure with a good trading plan and a good strategy and also a good trading system, you can be able to excel the forex market global. Welcome back to our new volatility 75 index weekly analysis. So you see, as I told you last week to sell, I was selling too, though I closed some positions. So I think market have finally broken out now and is about to sell again. So as far as I'm concerned, volatility 75 index, you'll just be selling, or you'll just align your weekly highs and weekly lows, the same system on which our strategy were built. That's the magic bomb strategy and the magic bomb. So you see, let's identify the highs and the lows for the last week. See, this is the lows for the week, this is the highs for the week. So probably because of this bullish rejection I'm seeing, the market may likely go up here, or even at least to go back at least to 50% retracement, at least 50% retracement, at least, before it continue coming downwards here, or it will just peak from here and go up to this level. So this is Adnan Global Access Forex. So as far as I'm concerned, for volatility 75 index, you see this market is rejecting this level. I think I will wait and see what will happen. If market breaks above this low, I may continue to sell so that we can go down. If market did not break above this low and continue to come back up here, I'll place my buy stop. In fact, right now I'll place my buy stop order on top of this level. That was around this level, 66.45.36, 66.45.36, 66.45.36, 66.45.36, 66.45.36, 66.45.36. I'll put buy stop order 66.45.36, 66.45.36, please. So I put my buy stop order here. So if market breaks above that high, that market will continue to buy for me. I will go against the trend. This is the level. So this is Adnan Global Access Forex. Nice to talk to you now. I think that's that for volatility 75 index. So see you in my next video. Bye. And also don't forget, for those that are new to this channel, this is Adnan Global Access Forex. We are here to help us struggling traders to make sure they make money and excel in the forex market. So we also post free signals daily, weekly, and our VIP signals as well. For more info, you can be able to check us on our website aga-forex.com for any full update or any full information about us or about magic bomb strategy or other freemium courses or content we have. So this is Adnan Global Access Forex. Nice to have you here. See you in my next video.